Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of marine equipment with a focus on the Rule-35A Marine Rule-A-Matic switch. If you're a boat owner or enthusiast looking to upgrade your bilge pump system, you're in the right place. This is touted as one of the best float switches on the market, and we're here to find out why. The Rule-35A is a marine-grade automatic float switch designed to keep your bilge pump running efficiently. It boasts a mercury-free design, which is not only safer for the environment but also ensures reliable performance without the use of toxic materials. It can handle a maximum pump draw of 14 amps, making it suitable for a variety of bilge pump setups. The construction is solid, made from durable plastic, ensuring longevity and resistance to marine conditions. Installation is a breeze, and once set up, it operates seamlessly to keep your bilge area dry. Now, why should you consider the Rule-35A for your boat? Firstly, it's easy to use and maintain, perfect for both novice and experienced boat owners. It offers great value for money, providing reliable performance at a competitive price point. With dimensions of 3.5 inches in length, 5 inches in width, and 8.25 inches in height, it's compact yet powerful, fitting into most bilge setups effortlessly. It's designed to handle the rigors of marine environments without compromising on performance. Although we're not focusing on customer reviews today, it's worth noting that the Rule-35A enjoys high ratings across various platforms, with many users praising its reliability and ease of installation. To wrap up, the Rule-35A Marine Rule-A-Matic switch is a top contender in the world of bilge pump float switches. Whether you're upgrading your current system or starting fresh, this product offers the reliability and peace of mind every boat owner needs. Its mercury-free design, coupled with straightforward installation and durable build, makes it a solid investment for any marine enthusiast. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of essential products for your everyday needs. Also, let us know in the comments below if you've had any experience with the Rule-35A or if you have any questions about marine float switches. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.